I am going to start the live video. I'm going to keep it both going because I'm also doing a Zoom session. Hey, Dawn. I'm working on I added you to the list of viewers. Nitya Nishrungya. I'm doing so many things today. You guys must think I'm going crazy, but I always loved cryptocurrency, right? If you guys know, like I know Don had a big opinion about that in the past, and so I bought a tool online. It's called Sentinel Geomining Kit. Okay, it's like I think the way I think in future, the trainer I'm working with actually, he has free YouTube channel. His name is Steve G. I'm watching all his episodes. I feel it's like almost like you're pinging your data to the nearest Geomining. So it allows you to create a location awareness, latitude, longitude, which would allow government to like track people together. Like, I heard eventually they'll be selling these data to different agencies. Like, let's say a crime was committed, right? So, I mean, I'm just using it as a crime. That's one example where it would be used is you would use the data to go and locate, okay, this person came, who are all in that location, kind of like tracking your latitude, longitude for multiple agencies. Like it would be for advertisers, because cyber is space is going to be its own country. That's what my understanding is. But I'm trying to figure out how to make money of that. Right now, XYO, you can only invest in it if you are outside of United States. United States, because of its regulation, it's very highly regulated by SEC. So money service business is monitored much more strictly in the United States. So you cannot be an investor, but you could be, they call it activist. There are 4 levels to participate. It's almost like you are a mapper. And then the second one is you are an activist. And then diviner. Diviner is like you would use that towards creating certain online currencies to participate. Okay, so it's like way about our head, don't worry. And I always work from abundance perspective because making money and understanding how to move currency is important. But the US dollar only works in the United States, right? So you really don't have ability to move those currencies around. But like, whereas if you can mine your coin and use it on Amazon and use it anywhere else, it'd be useful. So what I did was I actually purchased basic this. Right now they're selling it free, only for shipping you need to pay. So from London, I probably paid maybe $13, $12 or something. So I received it. So it has a button and you download an app called Coin App. And it has like a round red features. And then you just plug it in and download the app and create a map view and you'd collect currency. Today, when I started, like when I downloaded immediately, I got 2 points. What points? So today, whole day, I collected 14 cryptocurrencies. And then afterwards in the evening, you can post it like money sweep account. Think of it that way. So you can go online and say something called GeoDrop. I mean, it's way above your head, don't worry. But what I'm saying is, and then you can share this with anybody in the world by creating a tile. And that would allow you to also like advertise. Like, I could say, hey, follow me. That's what I posted. Follow me on healnow.tv. So essentially, like, your subscription goes up and you're going to internationally have, like, my subscription right now on YouTube is 200. To become a micro influencer, you need to get to 1,000 subscriptions, right? So that's why, like, I'm like adding these titles. And then once you get to the 1,000, like, people will start listening to you, and like, you can create different trends. So this is a big thing right now going on, geomining. And geomining is essentially you're providing your latitude, longitude, wherever you are. They have not monetized it. Right now it's connected to a currency called Ethereum, and they haven't monetized it. And I haven't added to Ethereum. I used to have profitcoins.io last year. And I think in Bitcoin, I made 0.00523 or something by investing $100. And so this one, and even to do that, I had to pay, like in this Palm Beach research group, $2,500, $2,500 last year to just learn this. And this year, again, I paid another $2,500. And the XYU bypasses that learning curve, and it allows you to stick to only one currency now, Ethereum, which is online wallet. And you can, like, eventually monetize it, like I said. So the GeoDrop, today I learned that you can create a tile and post it online. So I already posted it, that I can donate. Like, I had like leftover currency in my coin, 14.85. So it allows you up to the round number. So I posted, okay, I'm willing to put like a tile worth 14 internationally. And I said, follow me on healnow.tv. It's like international advertisement kind of said. And somebody already took over that 14. I have no idea what it means to me, but I just kind of like, follow whatever Steve is saying, because he's my guru for cryptocurrencies. I have no idea. It looks like he's in Arizona or somewhere. He seems to be a very nice guy. So he has like 2,700 subscribers. So that is what I'm doing. Okay, that is on the monetary end. And medically, what I'm doing is Cannabis Commission has opened up a 40-day direct access to the patient. So you don't even need to be certified. You can go on Cannabis Commission, and I'm going to start training people on Thursdays how to do that. So that is the medical side. I wonder whether they are failing in dispensaries. They are not able to move products. So this might be like underhand way. See, when government tries to do business, they're going to fail everybody. But that's okay. I don't care. And so the government is poking its nose on everything. And that's going to be the second project I'm doing. And then what is the other thing I'm doing? I am also doing unfranchise. I went back, and my way, if you want to follow me there, it's mywayorhighway.com. And tonight, they're going to do a webinar at 8 o'clock on social media marketing. I'll do a watch party for you guys. I hope by the time I'm home, I need to go to a nursing home, finish my rounds, and then I'll get home. So that's my third project. I'm like working on so many projects. But it allows me to have like each channel to like create like, multiple way of learning and what would be my target. And then what else I did today? What was my other project? Like my farming. I am doing better, and I'll showcase you guys what I'm doing. My lemongrass, I did multiple harvest, and that I'll do it on Facebook Live. I'm gonna wrap up the geomining project in the Zoom. So I'll see you guys.